The following message is transmitted at the request of the Westchester County Emergency Management. This is not a test. To repeat, this not a test. A tornado outbreak has been issued for the following counties in New York: Westchester, Queens, Kings, Bronx, Brooklyn, Putnam, and Richmond. At approximately around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a giant tornado has been reported across the mentioned counties. Several structures in the area have been reported to have suffered from extreme damage from these tornadoes, and several cars in the area have been destroyed by these tornadoes. Several tall buildings in downtown New York City, and as well as the Times Square area, have been reported to be demolished by these giant tornadoes. These tornadoes have a speed of up to 500 miles per hour wind. These strong tornadoes have caused a giant wave in the coastal area and caused a massive flood. Make sure you remain on high grounds. An evacuation for the mentioned counties is underway. Anyone who wants to stay is strongly advised to seek an underground shelter now. If you refuse to evacuate or seek shelter, you will be putting your life in danger. This is a really life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously, and I better get out of here now.